Hello students, let us discuss the exercise 4.3 third part. Here we have to construct a parallelogram here HEAR, where HE, the side HE is of 5 cm, EA is of 6 cm. Angle R is 85 degrees. Now since it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and another property is what? Opposite angles are also equal. Angle R is 85, this means angle E also will be 85 degrees. Now we can see angle H is not given to us. So how can we find this? Since the lines are parallel, RH is parallel to EA, RH is parallel to EA or AE, this is cutting, so these two angles are making co-interior angles. Co-interior means both the angle H plus E sum is equals to 180 degrees. So if angle E is 85, from here we can find angle H, 180 minus 185. 180 minus 85. 10 में से 5 gone, it will give you 5. 17 minus 8 will go, it will give you 9. Angle H is of 95 degrees. So we got the angle H 95, angle E was already 85. So we can now construct the parallelogram known two base angles and the common side HE. So let's start. I have drawn a line HE of 5 centimeters. Angle H is of 95. We'll make it with the help of a protractor. Place your protractor and then find and then make an angle of 95. Same way, place a protractor at E and make an angle of 85. So first I am going to make 85. I am placing a protractor here. We'll move from this way, clockwise, because our line is opening this side, this way. 85 will be somewhere here. I'll join this point with this line E. Now what is the length of EA? This is 6 centimeters. So we'll cut an arc of 6 centimeters. Make an angle of 95 degrees at H. This is how a parallelogram HEAR is completed. This is 5, so this will length also will come as 5 centimeter. This I have cut 6 centimeter and the same length 6 centimeter. Hence done. Let us discuss the fourth part of this exercise 4.3. We have to construct a rectangle OKAY, which means OK. The length of OK is of 7 centimeter and KA is of 5 centimeter. Now we know that if I am going to make a rough sketch of a rectangle, each side is perpendicular to each other, means the angle are of 90 degrees. Okay? So OKAY, these are the name I have given, and OK is of 7 centimeter. Then YA will also be of 7 centimeter. KA is of 5 centimeter, then YO will also be 5 centimeter, because this is a rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in a rectangle, and angles are all 90 degrees. So this is the very simple one. I'll start by drawing a base of length 7 centimeter, and from point O I'll draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of compass from point O also and at point K also. Let's start now. I have drawn a length OR of 7 centimeter. Now point O, I am going to make an angle of 90 degree with the compass. I have cut the arcs of 90 degree. Join this. I have joined this point O, this point of intersection of this line. Extend it also. Now what is the length? OY will be, OY is of 5 centimeters. Take a arc length of 5 centimeters. And then cut an arc of 5 centimeters. You can same way with the help of compass make an angle of 90 degrees here. The first arc here is of 60, then you can cut an arc of 120, moving up. This is 90. Join this length arcs to this point. Cut an arc of same length 5 centimeter from here. Cut this 5 centimeter. We are getting the two arcs here in the same alignment. I can join this, and in this way we will get a rectangle. Name it as OR, sorry, it is OKAY. OKAY. Give the measurements. This is 5 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Hence done. Thank you.